Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I have my Sephoraplay at last.
Finally.
But if you see us in the same outfits, it's because we're
doing back-to-back videos. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to enter our giveaway. We'll include the link below. You do need to be subscribed, have your settings set to public, and put that you want to be entered into the giveaway to be part of the giveaway. We're giving away 6 pallets to 3 winners, along with some other goodies. So,
okay. So this says Holiday Survival Pocket Guide. So that's pretty cute.
It's cute.
And then on the back, on the back it shows what products I'm going to be getting.
I was for anymore, but
and then of course you get your 50 beauty insider points. And I don't know if it's because I kept saying it or not, but I was mad that you could only go in the store, so they made it where you could do it online. So
we like to think it's
hopefully, yeah, I like to think it was me. Hopefully they keep it where you can do it online. Of course, it does take the place of a promo code. You know, like if you're gonna get something free for spending $25, you'd be putting this in instead. But sometimes there's things I don't want, so then I use this instead and get my points. Sorry, that was long story short. Okay, so first thing is Way leave-in conditioner, which
I have it, but I like it.
You guys probably saw me. I bought the whatever that purple thing is called, so but I'll use it anyway because I use a lot of stuff. So okay, and then I've got Laura Mercier. If I'm saying that, oh, the lid was kind of loose.
So far, I like the first 2 products, even though I've used them.
I like the big version of this, but I always could use more. There's that. And then
what else did you get? Are these like the favorites of the?
And then Grande Lips Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick Smoked Sherry.
Smoked sherry or cherry?
Or sherry, I guess. Did I say it S-H-E-R-R-Y? I don't know how to say it. And it's always late when we film, so my brain works even less. Okay, and then...
We'll always film after work. That's why you see us like in... Well, she changed, I guess, but I'm still wearing my work clothes.
Purity Made Simple 3-in-1 Cleanser for Face and Eyes.
I have that too.
I will use that as well.
It's a good one. I mean, everything you got I like so far. Although the lip thing is like...
And then...
That's funny.
I just used this on my son recently because he said his skin was dry. So, I don't know how to pronounce it. Ceramidin? Dr. Jart's cream?
No idea.
So I had it already a little bit like that, just a sample.
So you just have one more?
Yeah, just the 6th thing, which is Tory Burch's introducing Just Like Heaven. So I guess Just Like Heaven by Tory Burch, the perfume. At least I like everything I got. I mean,
I know, me too.
I know there used to be months where I was like, oh my gosh, what are they doing or something, or maybe not them, but a different box.
And this box is around $11, so it would be the same as Ipsy or Birchbox, which I need to get Birchbox again just to have something different. But let us know what you think of this box, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you saw this video and liked anything you saw. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our giveaway that we're doing right now. We're going to do future giveaways every so often, more often than not, hopefully. But as I said, just look for the link to join that giveaway if you want, but you do need to be subscribed. Okay, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye.